Hello everybody! How are y'all doing today? Welcome to the Niesman Team Tours, episode number 60. Never thought I would see episode number 60. Didn't think we'd carry this on this long, but it's been popular and it's helped to sell a number of houses, so we're going to keep doing it. So thanks for watching everybody, thanks for joining in. Episode number 60 of the Niesman Team Tours. I'm Jerry Niesman, team leader of the Niesman Team at Keller Williams Realty. And we are here today in Southeast Cape, super popular older neighborhood called the Savona area. So right off of Savona Parkway, east of Del Prado, right off the river. This is not a Gulf Access house. It's right across the street from Gulf Access Homes. Beautiful home though, completely redone. Everything's been redone in this thing just about. Brand new roof, electric, plumbing, kitchen, bathrooms, floors, paint, pool, everything. It's almost 2,200 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Just went on the market yesterday for $389,900. So super popular neighborhood, 2,200 square foot pool home. Even the landscaping and irrigation is all new. So let me flip the camera around so I can show you the neighborhood here. So all of these houses across the street are all Gulf Access. There's one vacant lot over there. So these are all Gulf Access. New driveway. New interior and exterior paint. Front doors are new. Like I said, roof, plumbing, electric, kitchens, bathroom. I know, number 60. It's crazy. You got frosted glass front doors, brand new front doors. You come in, you got a nice little foyer here that gives you some privacy. And then straight ahead would be to the kitchen and family room and dining area, or breakfast nook area, I guess. And then off to the right here would be your formal living and dining area. So you got ceiling fans, crown molding, all the lighting's brand new. I was trying to think of where I've been in this home. One of our other clients owns one of these. They just turned it into a rental. So this would be your dining room area here. And then off to the right is the master bedroom. See if I can walk by this light without hitting my head on it. French doors with the side lights out to the pool area. We'll go check that out in a minute. So here's your kitchen here. So new granite, new cabinets, all new hardware, brand new appliances. And this might be the only house I've ever seen in Cape Coral with a fireplace. So we're going to try something a little different today too. See if we get a little more engagement. We're going to give away a $5 Starbucks gift card to anybody that can spot Trey. He's running around the house somewhere here. If you can see him and tell me what color shorts he's wearing. You might have to watch the whole video. I think I just saw him run by in the window. So if you can see him, tell me what color shorts he's wearing. First person to tell me, we'll get a $5 Starbucks gift card. Yeah, it's a great great house for entertaining. You got tons of space, multiple spaces to do the entertaining. It's a wood burning fireplace. So here's the guest rooms. And this is a three bath house. So this would be one of the guest bathrooms, and it doubles as a pool bath. They redid the shower and everything in here. So that door goes out to your pool area. There's a big linen closet there. New vanity, new mirror, new lighting, everything. There's the shower, tub shower combo. Yeah, it's a great house. I was a little bit surprised when I looked at it and saw the price, and I thought $389, that seems kind of high. But with everything that's been redone, I mean, I've looked at the comps, and there's stuff in this neighborhood that has not been nearly as well updated, that's selling in the 325, 330, and you still needs 50 grand worth of work. So doesn't mean they won't negotiate. Huge bedrooms. I mean, this is a great bedroom. Not the biggest closet in the world. But yeah, I mean, it's priced right. For all the work that they've done in here, I mean, you don't have to do anything to this house. And you won't have to do anything for years and years to come. So this is like a little junior suite. Not the biggest closet in the world, but it's got its own bath, own shower. And a really nice sized room. And then here's another huge guest window out to the lanai and pool area. And this one's got a really good sized closet. Did you just blow past me again? You keep running around hiding. Where you at, kid? All right, so this breakfast nook again with sliders looking out. These are pocket sliders looking out over the lanai, and it's got a huge covered lanai area too. So let's go take a look at the owner's suite. Jay, who's the builder on this? Honestly, I don't know. It was built in 1978. I don't know who built it. Here's the owner's suite. It does look brand new, but it is not. Built in 1978. It's just been completely redone inside. So here's your owner's suite. They got cabinets set up here for additional closet space. Custom closet all built in here. Great house. Double vanity. And a nice big shower. Again, all completely redone. $389.9. Right off of Savona. Across the street from Gulf Access. All right, so let's go outside and take a look. We still haven't found Trey yet. Nothing like kids that don't listen. I told him to hide somewhere, not run around the whole house. So, huge covered lanai area. 2 ceiling fans out here. That's where we're headed. We're looking at the pool now. Yeah, now he's hiding. Really nice sized pool. This cage is massive. Tons of space to entertain out here. So I don't know when the pool was refinished inside. It's not brand new, but it looks to be in pretty good shape. All the pavers are brand new. And look at all this space. I mean, they basically screened in and pavered almost the entire backyard. There's just enough room for a dog run around the outside. So you got a little space on each side. You got fencing almost all the way around. It stops right here. So you could easily finish this up and fence the rest in if you wanted to. So 2,200 square foot, almost 2182 is the exact number. 4 bed, 3 bath. You even got a little outdoor shower here. Yeah, you don't find anything with a pool area like this. Not in this price range. So I guess we'll go cruise back through here, see if we can find Trey to make sure you guys get an opportunity to tell me what color shorts he's wearing and get your Starbucks gift card. All right, let's see where he's at. Then we got to see if we can get out of here before it starts raining. Where are you hiding, boy? Where's he at? No, not in that closet. Sorry, y'all. Didn't really mean to make you play hide and seek with us. No, not in the shower. Trey, where you at, dude? No. Wasn't supposed to be this difficult. Come on, dude, where are you? All right, I don't know where he's hiding. Bubba, where are you at? Come out. Come on. Let's see if he's hiding in this closet. I don't know where he's at. Jay in the garage. I don't know. Nope, not in the garage either. But even the garage looks good. I guess I should have come out here. Got cabinets all over the place, water heater, sink. They got a laundry set up over here, little platform. Come out. There he is. He snuck back outside. Boom.
Oh, I've been following you wherever.
Say hi.
Hello.
We found you.
No, technically I gave myself up. I would have kept hiding there and won if I didn't give myself up.
All right. So, 2,200 square foot, 4 bed, 3 bath, 2-car garage, right off of Savona and Del Prado. Fantastic neighborhood. $389.9. It's only been on the market one day. If you want to see this again in person, let me know. You know where to find me here on Facebook, or shoot me a text or give me a call. 239-201-9583. This will go quick in the condition that it's in. This thing needs absolutely nothing. Let me know if you got any questions. Check us out. Check out our other tours on YouTube as well. Just Jerry Niesman there on YouTube. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.